How to access router IP address 10.0.0.0.1. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to the router either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Step 3. In the address bar, type IP address 10.0.0.0.1 and hit enter. You will see a login screen like this. Step 4. Here you will need to enter your username and password. The default login details are usually printed on the backside of your router or in user manual. Common default username is admin and default password might be password. If you changed these details before, use the updated ones. Step 5. Once you're logged in, you will see Router Admin Dashboard. From here you can change your Wi-Fi password, check connected devices, update firmware, and much more. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.